There is only three sports where men and women can compete equally: motorsports, sailing, and horse riding. When we were in the car, nobody can say it's a man or a woman driving. You know, you have to take the line, the shortest possible always to go the fastest.
Yung mga babae dito were competing in a men-dominated field.
There's a growing community already na mga lady drivers who's trying out car sport.
Yung ginawa ng Super Sprint that they opened yung ladies category ngayong season, it makes us feel na meron kaming seat sa table. Nakakakaba siya nung una.
The adrenaline was rushing.
Nakakatanggal din ng stress.
All driver skill and, you know, whatever you bring.
Hindi siya pagalingan eh. Hindi mo rin masabi na kalaban mo lahat kasi random eh. So, kalaban ko sarili ko. Yun.
Yung coach namin sa triathlon, si GAS, siya yung nag-introduce sa amin sa motorsport. So, niyaya niya kami and then, nung from first try, na-enjoy namin siya. Kaya sunod-sunod na.
Heard about Super Sprint online. I wanted to experience it talaga. Then, yun, surprisingly, I had fun nung round 1. Very welcoming to first-timers, especially us, yung ladies class. Woo!
Super friendly and super accommodating yung lahat ng tao. Hindi ka ma-intimidate if you're a beginner or a newbie. Ngayon, nagtutunguan na kami kahit we don't know each other's names pero we know each other by face na.
Super Sprint. Grabe. Supportive sila, ganon. Sila Tito Robert, si Mama Jill. Pag nakikita nila ako, uy, kaya mo yan, Romy. You're here again. Ganon.
We want the sport to continue to the next generation. So boy, girl, anything in between, as long as you're cool, follow the rules, and you can get along with anyone, it's always nice to have young blood. I want the sport and the hobby to flourish. I think more than anything, it's like people get caught up with the modifications. Just make sure it's running properly, good set of tires, and just have a good time with friends. That's what's important, the experience itself.
Gusto ko talagang i-improve yung time ko.
Kung saan mas bibilis yung pagdadrive ko.
Tinatest lang yung skills mo kung gaano ka kabilis na driver. It's not about competing.
Na-improve ko yung time ko from 73 to 70, ngayon 66.
Second round, yari saka yung Picanto yung sinali ko. Mas okay ngayon. Mas nag-improve.
Super Sprint!
49.819!
Nihikayat ko pa yung ibang mga late drivers na sumali, mas makikilala niyo yung sasakyan niyo.